bit hungry, aren't they? A bit hungry, aren't they? That's nice. I lean on there and they won't get me. Oh, what's that noise?
No, I'm holding it.
No, I'm holding it. Looks like I got some food for you. Oh, there's one. Look, I'm throwing it so fast for them. Daddy, please. Please. Some duck food. Can I have some? Yeah. Aww. Baby one, come. Baby one, come. Nom, nom,
Very
nom, nom,
aggressive.
nom, 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 nom. Nom. They liked it.
I'm a ducky.
Oh no, you're not. I just wanted to throw it all in.
You won't have any left then.
Okay. Where are they, old mummy? Lookies! Duckers! To my lunch! I've got some food for you! Daddy!
Oh.
They're going.
You did just shout at them, didn't you?
And they're going. Oh, they're not animal duckies. They'll go.
It'll go up.
And they'll put some more food for them as they don't come. Ah! Oh, let's go back into the water. Can I have